Good evening, fams. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Had a wonderfully blessed day. Most importantly, a safe day. Guys, I'm just going to keep it real. Man, the overall crypto markets are looking shitty, right? They are looking so bearish right now. I'm not bearish, right? I'm long-term bullish, right? So, you know what I mean? It is what it is with the ups and downs, right, in the short term. But guys, I will say this: there is so much fear and so much uncertainty in the markets right now. Look at Bitcoin is at 39,878, guys, right? So until Bitcoin stops dipping, Dogecoin is going to continue to dip, guys. Right? We need Bitcoin to push up aggressively for Dogecoin to do the same. Unfortunately, Dogecoin is right at the hip of Bitcoin. So what Bitcoin does is pretty much the same as what Dogecoin, but not just Dogecoin, guys. The overall crypto markets. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys. Bitcoin is down 4.5%, guys. Not looking too sexy, right? We'll dive into some Bitcoin here in a minute. Let's dive into Dogecoin. We're still number 11, though, guys. We're at 0.1519, guys. Almost freaking the higher end of 14 cents. Not looking good. We're down 4.2%, guys. Our 24-hour low was where we're at, sitting at right now. And our 24-hour high is sitting at 0.1688, almost 17 cents earlier today, guys. Man, we're sitting at $20.1 billion for a market cap. Our volume is retardedly stupid low, guys. We're at half of $1 billion, guys. We're at 517.9. Last time it was like this was about a month or two ago, right, guys? Volume, trading volume, right? There's not a lot of bullish sentiment. There's not a lot of positive vibe right now in the markets, right? Like I said, it's not just Dogecoin, guys. It's just the overall markets in general. All right, guys. Now let's dive into the charts because obviously I just want to show you some things. I'll keep it real. The 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame looking super bearish as all get up, guys. I will keep it real. But this is short term, right? I am a long term investor, guys. So all this stuff, it sucks, but it's just noise, right, guys? When in doubt, zoom out. So now I've been talking to you guys about this for this 180-day moving average for quite some time, right? Well, not so quite some time, actually. I started talking to you guys about it. Hold on, let me get my back here, right? On the 13th, right here, we tested it, we dipped below it, but then we broke past it, right? And then we pretty much we stayed up here, right? When we up, come on, man, I hate when this stupid in this area here. Oh my gosh, guys, excuse me. So in this area here, right, as when we had that positive catalyst about Doge being accepted for Tesla, but it only held for about a day, the bullish momentum, right? And then next thing you know, we started to trend down, right? As you can see, and then on the 17th, we tested this moving average, and what happened? We dipped below it, and then we consolidated underneath for about 3.5 days. But what do you see for the most part? The trend is down, guys, from 17 down to the 0.151 where we're at now, down here, right, guys? So like I continuously said, when Dogecoin is underneath this 180-day moving average, the trend is always down and the sentiment is extremely bearish. We have been under this moving average more than we've been above it, right? If you zoom out for the past over a year, guys, right? It's a pretty good indicator to show what Doge is gonna do. That's what I've been telling you guys, and that's why I've been showing you this 180-day moving average, right? As you can see, we're underneath it. We've been underneath it for the past 3.5 days since this area here, right? So things aren't looking good at all. I'm gonna keep it real. All right, now let's dive into the daily time frame, okay, guys? So you guys can I can show you what's going on here. All right, hold on one second. Actually, guys, before we go to the, I just wanted to show you on the 4-hourly time frame, right? I busted out the Bollinger Bands real quick. Now, if you see, guys, right, we're looking bearish right now. As you see, this lower Bollinger Band, guys, right, was pretty much our like last resort for support. And what do you see, guys? Past 8 hours, right, underneath it, that is bearish. Now, this center Bollinger Band, as you see, right, 8 hours ago, right, remember these candlesticks are each 4 hours. Now 8 hours ago, right, we tested it and we dipped below it, and we've continuously been on a downtrend the past 8 hours, as you can see. So right here, guys, it's not looking good on the Bollinger Bands. We have broke through the bottom support of the bottom Bollinger Band that has been a support for us, right? And we have broke through that. So that looks bearish as all get up, man. All right, now, like I said, let's get to the daily time frame. right, guys. So what do we're on the daily time frame now. What do we see, right? So basically, the last week, guys, we've been on a downtrend, right? Nothing but down, unfortunately, right? The bulls couldn't sustain that momentum when we had all that positive catalyst about Tesla, right? We shot up, but it lost steam instantly, pretty much, right? And we've came nothing but down. Now, as you see, right, we had the 50-day moving average, right, which was coming in about the 0.175 area, but I didn't pull it out, right? But that was holding us as support. We broke that as support. Now this center Bollinger Band, my scribbler here. Now the center Bollinger Band right here, guys, is basically runs parallel with the 21-day moving average. Now, as you can see, 3 days ago we tested it and we it didn't hold and we broke below it, right? The bears have continuously putting selling pressure and we dipped below it. Now you can see yesterday and today, what do you see? We are definitely underneath the center Bollinger Band, right, which is bearish. Now this is our last what is the word I'm looking for? Not hope, rather, but it's our last support, guys, coming in at I think it's at 0.143 area, right? So more than likely, not more than likely, but it's highly possible that we come down and test it, and hopefully we're going to test it and bounce off of it, right? But like I said, if Bitcoin continues to do what it's doing and it continuously continues to dip down, Dogecoin is going to dip down as well. It's inevitable, guys. It's inevitable if Bitcoin continues to dip, right? I know all this, I sound like I'm bearish, guys. I'm just keeping it real. In the short term, things are bearish. There's no way around it. Look at the charts, right? But I am a long-term bull, right? And I'm investing for the long term. So all this stuff is just noise to me. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to panic sell and all that crap. I'm going to continue to hodl strong and be diamond hands. Now, what you guys do, that's up to you, because I can never give you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do. All right, guys. So support, right, guys, is still at 15 cents, right? We haven't dipped below 15 cents. Right, straight up 15 cents, right? 0.150. Now, if we dip any lower than that, right, then we're gonna come down to this Bollinger Band. Actually, you know what? No, I resistance is coming in at 0.143. I'm gonna call. It's just my opinion, right? This bottom Bollinger Band is our support right now, guys. So don't be surprised if we dip down to this bottom Bollinger Band and bounce off of it. Okay, guys? Man, I'm taking a lot longer in this technical stuff than I wanted to. I apologize, right? I might just close out with one article, guys. I thank you if you're with me still. Now, like I said, support 0.143 and resistance is going to be this 21-day moving average, and that is coming in at about, let's check it out here. I think it's about 16 cents, I'm going to say. Yep, at 16 cents, right, guys? So support 14, resistance is 16 cents. Okay, guys? So that's pretty much what I had as far as the charts go. Any questions, please let me know down in the comment sections. All right, now let's dive into man, I had quite a bit of articles. I might have to make another video later this evening on just straight up articles. Now, let's dive into this one here first. Now, it says Robinhood launches crypto wallet beta for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin transfers. This is huge, right? This could be a positive thing in the near and foreseeable future for the price of Doge, right? Because people will be able to move their Dogecoins to and from. And when you have transactions on the Doge blockchain, that in return acts as a bullish positive catalyst, and it does help push the price up. Just transactions itself, guys. Now, it says for months, executives at trading app company Robinhood have been promising that cryptocurrency wallets were coming. Today, they're finally here. Well, for the first 1,000 people on the waiting list, that is. Now, it says Robinhood announced today that its beta program has gone live, right? And it says for the first 1,000 people, right? Now, it says with plans to scale up to 10,000 users by March, right, guys? So if you're not on the top, if you have your Doge on Robinhood like I do, and you're not on the top 10,000, guys, you're going to have to continue to wait past March. Now, it says, according to a blog post, the wallets will enable Robinhood customers to send and receive their crypto wallets to external crypto wallets, right? So, guys, you know what I mean? I'm not going to dive into the whole article here, right, guys? I just wanted to briefly give you the dates, right? Now, this is positive, right, for the first 10,000 people, right, from now until March. All right, but nonetheless, eventually it will be open for everybody. Some of us might have to wait longer. But point being is, guys, just there's a lot of positive stuff going for Doge, guys, for 2022, regardless of what the price is now. When in doubt, zoom out, guys. You gotta truly have strong conviction in whatever it is that you invest in, such as Dogecoin, right? And possibly hold through the ups and downs, right? You got to be able to stomach it, right? All right, let's dive into my next article here, guys. Now let's get into some positive news here, right? Now it says the U.S. is the world's most pro-Dogecoin country, study reveals. Now it says Dogecoin experienced an incredible boom in 2021, reaching a new all-time high and garnering more popularity than ever before in the cryptocurrency space. Now it's worth highlighting that almost all the adoption, the United States is the most Dogecoin nation in the world, with 31.6% of cryptocurrency owners in the U.S. owning the main cryptocurrency as of December 2021. That is huge, guys. Now, all the investors in the United States, 31.6%, are invested in Dogecoin. That is huge, right? At least as many people that did this survey. Now it says notably Australia came in second with 29% Dogecoin ownership, followed by Norway 27.4%, and then you had Japan was the lowest ownership at out of the 27 nations surveyed, right? And it gives you the breakdown right here. Right now it says the statistics come from Finder's Cryptocurrency Adoption Index, which tracks the global adoption of cryptocurrencies, right, throughout an ongoing poll of the internet users in 27 countries, right? But thing is, here in America, baby, we love our Dogecoin, right? We're and this is where the big dog gets its most love from. It's from America, baby, America. Now, guys, Dogecoin hodlers urging McDonald's to accept Doge. Now, guys, now it says no error. Sorry. Come on, get out of here. Go back. Man, there you go. Now it says McDonald's gave a standard. Okay, now it says in November, McDonald's jumped on the non-fungible token bandwagon by launching its first collections in NFTs in celebration of 40th. Okay, now, and it just talks about now, guys. There's a petition going, right, guys, for McDonald's to accept Doge as a form of payment. Now, this would be huge, guys. It would act as a positive catalyst, right, for the price of Doge, right? It might possibly help spike it up, but nonetheless, guys, it just shows adoption, right? There's over 1,700 companies that accept it as a form of payment, right? So this is pretty good news here, guys. Thank you if you're still with me, man, because I know my technical analysis video was kind of long, guys. Where we at on the time here, guys? Where we at? Sorry, man, my thing is acting silly willy here, guys. Apologize. Where is it at here? Okay, there it is there. We got 12 minutes left, guys. All right, guys, man, I'm going to dive into one article here. Okay, guys, one overall crypto market news article, then we're done. Now, it says 61% of Americans may purchase crypto in 2022, new survey says. It says data released by crypto platform Voyager Digital indicates that nearly 2 out of 3 Americans are bullish on crypto, believing it will gain value in 2022. Now, this is huge, guys, right? Because just a couple, 5 years ago, people weren't knowing about crypto, and the people that did were very bearish and so on and so forth. Now you have institutions, you have banks, you had Ray Dalio, you have, so many people that, were haters on cryptos now invest in it, like Mark Cuban as well, right? He talked bad about it. Now look at him. Even Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, right? Now, he has, I think, up to like 13% allocated of his whole allocation in crypto, right? He's a big firm believer. He was talking crap about it 1 year ago. Now, it says interest in crypto continues to grow as Americans shows their excitement in the future of digital assets. The first annual crypto confidence survey published by public traded company Voyager examined Americans' experience with crypto and their perspective on how crypto will perform in 2022. Right? It says the report shows many positive sentiments. The survey's finding revealed that nearly 2/3 of respondents declared themselves to be crypto bulls, while 61% mentioned that they are likely to purchase crypto this year. While Voyager did not disclose the exact number of respondents, the result shows a huge percentage increase compared to the results of an earlier survey showing that only 27% of Americans, guys, so from 27 to 61, that is a big jump, right? And when in 1 year, Americans plan to invest in crypto in 2021. So in the year in 2021, right, guys, 27% said they were going to invest in crypto. Now, that's a big jump, guys. That is a huge jump. Survey results also indicated that the participants prioritized buying crypto compared to buying mutual funds, traveling by plane, buying a new car, buying a new house, and starting a romantic relationship. Some people invest in crypto than to start a romantic relationship, right, guys? This is huge. right? A lot of people are seeing the significance and the importance and where uh, cryptocurrency and adoption is at, guys. It's moving at a rapid speed pace, guys. That's why I continue to tell you guys, man, the sooner you start investing into crypto, the better you're going to be off in 5 years from now, man. Now, I'm going to close out right here. It says the survey also found that many are willing. Oh, it says the topic of educating young minds on crypto was also highlighted in the survey. The data shows that 66% of Americans believe that cryptocurrency should be taught in high school or earlier. I believe as well, guys, it should be taught in middle school. I'm already teaching my 5-year-old, my 6-year-old, and my 9-year-old the importance of crypto, guys. My 5-year-old says, we love Bitcoin. We love Bitcoin. You know what I mean? And Dogecoin. It's so cool, man. You know what I mean? But I'm teaching them the importance, right? So that they can start investing. You know, once they become teenagers, I'm going to have them, when my 9-year-old turns 13, I'm going to open him an account and start investing in crypto for him. Anyways, the survey also found that many are willing to invest more depending on their understanding of crypto. 50% of the participants noted that they would invest more in cryptocurrency if they understood it better. Right, guys? No, it says back in 2021, 63% of U.S. adults also noted that they are curious to learn more about cryptocurrency or planning to buy crypto. The respondent identified as crypto curious, stating that they do not own crypto but are willing to learn and possibly purchase at a later time. All right, guys. It just goes to show you, right, guys, where crypto's at as far as adoption goes, right? Man, like I said, guys, for now, guys, in the short term, overall crypto market is bearish and Dogecoin is bearish, man. But when in doubt, zoom out, baby. This is what your boy had for you on this Thursday. Stay safe, stay blessed, guys. Thank you if you stayed with me to the end, man. And I know I can jibber jabber a lot. All right, guys, peace out. Till maybe later this evening, and if not, I'll drop one early tomorrow morning, guys. Peace.